Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are learning how to build the model of Nightbridge Golf Clubhouse designed by famous Japanese architect J.J. Rubin. Let's have a look at the image. You can see this beautiful wooden structure. This is his famous structure, wooden structure. And if we have a look from the top view, we will find if we can do one of them, and then we can copy and paste to make the others, right? Let's open the file. You can download all these files from our website, and there's a link that you can check more information. Cool, let's go to the Rhino file. Go to the front view and select curved comment, and then I draw my curved line. I draw this line by holding the shift command. As you see, I draw 2 horizontal points and 2 vertical points. And also you can draw your lines like this. But I think this one is better because it's following the geometric way. Okay, as you see, the horizontal one and vertical one. You can try this one. And then I use revolve command to create a surface. Revolve, I taught you how to use in the previous tutorials. With your command again, start of revolve axis. I input 0, 0, 0, press enter. And hold your shift command, press enter, 360 degrees scroll, press enter. Go to the top view and select square. Okay, draw it from center, and you can input 0, 0, 0 again. Turn on grid snap. Cool, this one. And I use planar surface. Go to the perspective view, and then select our surface, trim it. Oops, now this one. We need to dupe our edge first. Dupe the edge, and then we trim it. Cool. Then we get a surface like this. And then select it, move. Turn on your quote point, and then we can select it. We move it to here. Cool, let us review what we learned. First one, we used this command, the curved command, to draw a curved line. And then we use revolve to build a surface, revolve command. And then we used square to draw a square line. And then we make planar surface, this one. And then we trim it, right? Trim it, and then move it to here. Move the surface from the bottom to the top part. Cool, practice guys, then we continue to the next part.